Let's turn our pea soup pools to crystal clear in as little as 24 to 36 hours. We're going to use a sump pump, a bucket with good lid, pillow stuffing, and some basic plumbing supplies. This is a cheap filter that works extremely well. First, drill multiple holes in one half of the bucket lid. We can add more if needed if the water pressure is blowing the lid off. I have made several of these, and the tighter the lid, ideally with a O-ring gasket seal, the best. You can always screw the lid close too if the lid will not stay on, no matter what you do. Then we need to drill a 2 inches hole in the back for your pipe adapters. There is a couple fittings you can use to do this. I'm using a male there and female thread adapter on this one to sandwich in between the buckets. I find these seal without leaking, but if needed, you could add silicone or a thread sealant too. The trick is a snug hole for the adapters you choose to use. Now fill your buckets with pillow stuffing. I buy this at Walmart. As you can see from the green in the bucket and the pillow stuffing, I have been using this for several seasons, and the simple reason is because it works. I like to add to large chlorine pucks on the initial startup. Then I add 1 puck as required. That depends on usage. For me, normally 1 a week does it to top up the levels. At the end of the video, we'll show you just how much this filter took out of the water. Check out the description for full material list. Hook up the flex connector to the back of the bucket and the sump put. If you buy a discharge kit, it should come with the rigid connectors to seal the pipe and flex couplings. Alternatively, you can get barb adapters. Whatever you choose, we need to make the pipe rigid so the flex coupling does not crush it. I drain this one completely to get a faster clean and fresh water, but this can be cleaned even from very green with the filter if required. As soon as there is enough water to cover the pump, I start running the filter. The water from some lines like this comes out a little discolored when you pull it out of the lines in large volumes, so required an extra filter. Now the pool is full, you can really see the brown discoloration, and while it's not terrible, wait until you see the results that something as simple as pillow stuffing does. If you are getting value from my content, I would appreciate a like and or subscribe too. Thanks in advance. And here we have it. The pool sand filter would have no chance at turning this around in such a short period of time without the help of multiple chemicals. For this, just pillow stuffing and chlorine. That being said, I have used it many times without chlorine too and gotten fantastic results. Thanks for watching. Check out my other how-to videos for more tips and tricks.